that were doing hard yards, flying in low at kind of 1,000 feet, 2,000 feet, bombing from very, very low heights with incredible precision. This plane, amazingly, was flying operationally until 1970.
B-25, splitting now.
Breaking away to the same display now. And honestly, people were really lucky to see it flying.
B-25, visual.
Just a slip under 10,000 mil. You know, I see that and I just think of these planes flying in formation over France in early May 1944, ahead of the invasion, to attack some bridge over the River Loire or something. They're coming in low. And the amazing thing is that these bombers, these twin-engine bombers like the Mitchell, destroyed every single bridge over the River Seine. Biggest danger to these planes flying in amongst just the weeks just before D-Day was really from the flank. Anti-aircraft guns down below. Of course, if you're operating at such low height, you've got very little room to manoeuvre if anything goes wrong. But their speed and their agility certainly counted. You know, obviously it's much harder for anti-aircraft guns to hit something that's moving fast. And they were incredibly successful. Another major operation was Operation Strangle, which in April 1944, last major attack, Operation Diadem at Rome, was launched on the 19th of May 1944. Operation Strangle was, as its name suggests, all about, again, inhibiting the Germans' ability to reinforce the front.
B-25 coming in for last pass.
Bridges, hitting marshalling yards, and yet again, the Mitchells, the other bombers.
B-30, another circuit, then we're diving in. Okay, B-25, then we'll make another wing over and then come back for landing. Second flap, 1 minute 30 flap. Oh, copied, okay. This please, so you check. Solid 5. B-30 information is coming in. B-25 midfield for downwind to land.
I just had to take a pause from the commentary, which I'm sure you'll agree is no bad thing, and take a little bit of video footage of that, because that is super special to see. It really is just a wonderful sight.
Welcome.
Now looking over to your right, in the lead now we have the B38. Worst job in the world. He is the chief fixed-wing pilot for the Flying Lord, so he gets to fly all of the fixed-wing aircraft in the Flying Lord's infantry. DC-6, Victory 5, the line of staying in the state, so it is his job.
Radio B25 back on frequency. B25 right, back to parking. Left wing of this formation flying that B-51. Radio check. Focus at level 5. Yep, 516. Sywell, preference space for taxi. The taxi, QNH is 1013, QFE 9 and 9 at 8 hectopascals. 998 will go along the crowd line of grass and into the backtrack at Bravo 6. Roger.
controls out, sort of lead and lag, and it was definitely a dogfighting principle during the lap around second
Waiting for the last photo pass, left and out now.
It just looked fantastic. Interestingly, it's equivalent with the Allison engine, the same one that failed in the Mustang. But where it didn't work, you know, it's horses for courses, isn't it? And an engine that doesn't work in one plane can work brilliantly in another. And V38 is a basic point, really. Now, from the right-hand side, cameras ready for.
On the runway. Red Bull, you can report final, but there's Griffin's such a roll ahead of you. Stay still, 30 seconds.